my video? Yes. How much are my supporters? How are they? How are the supporters? The supporters. How are you? How are you? Okay. Please listen attentively. Please listen attentively. I am gonna sing the song. It's called Bambanani. Bambanani is hold each other. We need to stand together. We need to be one, more especially with the xenophobia situation that is happening. We need to love each other with our weaknesses and strengths. I told my mother, I said, one thing I've learned in Russia, again, is to love my brothers and sisters. Because today she does me wrong, and tomorrow I miss her. I don't have shame anymore, even if you do me wrong, to call you, ask for anything, or knock on your door. That's the unconditional love that our Premier has taught us since we're here. I don't know about other people. Since we can exchange such affection, let us give it unto other people. Can we sing this song with all of our hearts? Can we sing from the bottom of our beings? Can we hold each other? Can we love the Russians? Can we accommodate them because they have accommodated us? Can we love our African brothers? Are we together?
Yes.